In this informative video, we'll show you the simple and straightforward steps to activate your Lloyds debit card. Whether you're a new account holder or you've received a replacement card, just follow my steps. Activating your Lloyds debit card is a crucial step before you can start making transactions and managing your finances. And before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more videos like this in the future. The first step that we'll do is to log into our Lloyds Bank account if we have the online banking account or the mobile banking. So we'll log in by clicking on this button right here, then select the type of Lloyds account which we have and continue with the login process. After you log in, or sign into your Lloyds online banking account, you will have an option to go to your card section, and in that section you'll have an option to activate your debit card. That is one of the ways that we can activate our debit card. Another thing that we can do is to click on the Contact Us option that should be on the right side of the screen, and this menu will expand with a bunch of information. In this menu we'll find a contact phone number which we can dial and contact the customer support. When we contact them, they'll guide us on how we can activate the debit card, or they will activate it for us. But the best and easiest way that we can activate our debit card is to use it at a nearby ATM. The debit card has a security number, and when you enter the debit card and the security number into the ATM, the debit card will be automatically activated. And after that you will be able to use the Lloyds debit card to withdraw money from compatible ATMs. And that's about it. If you want more similar tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.